It's a 2018 Lexus ES. Enjoy the exceptional, world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every single detail. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: smart device navigation, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low-beam headlights. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.